So here we have exercise 8.4, introduction to trigonometry. Question number 1, prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So this is the, let us start to prove this question. So before we do this problem, I just want to give you a small introduction about whenever the question will come, like tan theta. So tan theta you can write as a sine theta by cos theta. If the cot theta will come in the question, then you can write as a cos theta by sine theta. If in the question you have cosec theta, then cosec theta you can write as a 1 by sine theta. And secant theta come in the question means you can write as a secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So these are the information you must know before solve this question. So in this we know that LHS. What is LHS given here? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So cosec theta. We know that cosec theta, how can we write? Cosec theta I can write as a 1 by sine theta. That is what here 1 by sine theta. And cot theta, how can I write? Cot theta you can see here. That is cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. So cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta whole square. So now in the denominator, if you see the denominator is the sine theta. So the LCM will be the sine theta. And the numerator will be kept as it is, 1 minus cos theta whole square. So now I can write as a whole square. So 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sine square theta. So this is LHS. So LHS is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square. Denominator we have sine square theta. So sine square theta identity, you know that. Sine theta you can write as a 1 minus cos square theta. So what I can do here, sine square theta I will write as a 1 minus cos square theta. LHS. So now what I will do here, 1 minus cos theta whole square, keep as it is, don't change anything in that. Now this 1 I will write as a 1 square. Why? Because 1 square answer will come 1 only. So it will not affect the answer. So 1 square I will write, and here I will write as a cos square theta. So this is what look like what a square minus b square. So algebraic identity you have to use here, a square minus b square, that is what a plus b into a minus b. So I can write here LHS is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square, keep as it is, no changes in that term, divided by, otherwise what you do in the numerator we have 1 minus cos theta whole square, so I write 2 times. 1 minus cos theta I will write 2 times, so it will be easy for you for cancellation. So now denominator we know a 1 square minus cos square theta is nothing but what a square minus b square, nothing but what a plus b into a minus b. So I can write this one as a 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So here now I can cancel this 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, cancel. So now the final answer I got here, LHS is equal to what? 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. And this is called what? RHS. So I can write now here, hence prove